Welcome back to the shop. Today is day 30. We're at the end of our 30-day paint and body challenge. We're not doing anything really except assembling the car today. So let's see how it looks with everything hung on it. And just to put your mind at ease and see if there's any crazy differences in metallics, this is where being a robot comes in. When I spoke in the previous episode, let's see if I screwed this up. Let's see if all your fears are true. Am I gonna have to respray the whole car because I sprayed them panel by panel instead of on the car itself? So let's put that to rest. Welcome to day 30, the end of our 30-day paint and body challenge. Let's get busy. All right, guys, that's it. That's a wrap. 30-day paint and body challenge is done. The car is painted. It still needs to be cut and buffed. We still have some runs and a little bit of sagging. We have one good run. The rest of it just kind of where it sagged a little bit. I wouldn't even call that a run. So, but it's done. I'm done. I'm over it. We still have a lot of work to do on the car, so be sure to subscribe. We add a lot more content, especially on this one coming in the very near future. I appreciate you guys enjoying the 30-day challenge. If you have any ideas of what you want to see next, let me know in the comments below. I still have to do some fuel lines, brake lines, electrical work, differential rebuild, made the transmissions of the engine. We still have to finish putting the engine together, put the head on it, the intake, and everything else. So if there's anything in particular you want to see or any questions you have before we get to that, go ahead and drop them in the comments below, and I'll try to do my best explaining that in the future videos. If you like this stuff, you know what to do. Click that thumbs up button. If you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button. Turn on your bell notifications. That way you get notified just as soon as I get around to the next things that we're doing on this 280Z. I appreciate you as always, and until next time, thanks for watching this one.